To turn on or to enable hard fall detection on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is easy. You're going to start by navigating to the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Safety and Emergency. From here, you then want to scroll all the way down until you find hard fall detection, and then select it. And from here, just tap on the toggle like so to turn it on. Now, from here, you can choose whether you want to require a swipe to call. So to prevent any accidental calls, you can choose to enable this, or you can just choose to leave it as is, and it will automatically call immediately it detects hard fall detection. Now you can choose to enter in your emergency number when you want it to be contacted after 5 or 20 seconds, or even your own custom time of 15 seconds. It will show you the countdown before it starts triggering emergency actions, so it's up to you to customize that to your liking. Now you can choose to play the sound on both your watch and your phone, or you can choose to disable it and let it be watch only. You can test the sound, customize the emergency call number, which by default is 999, but you can change it to your own country or your emergency contact. And then you can choose when you want it to detect your falls, only during workouts, always, or so it's up to you to decide. And then from here, you can also choose to send an emergency SOS to your contacts if hard faults are ever detected. And so that is how you can enable hard fault detection on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.